Hey guys, so in this video, I'm gonna be turning this into this. I came across this free STL file on Thingiverse, but there was one problem with one of the file. When I tried to slice it, I get an error message. So when we tried to print the file, it came out looking like this. So in order to fix it, the first thing I did was convert the file into STL. After that, I used an online tool that fixes the STL file. As you can see, I get no error message anymore. And now the print came out looking like this. Compared to the first print, this one was printed perfectly. And now I'm gonna be using a 600 grit sandpaper. I just gave the web shooter a quick sand down. And the reason for the use of sandpaper is because we want to knock down those layer lines. It's because how most 3D printers work is they print the object layer by layer. That's why the layer lines are formed. After the sanding, I'm gonna be using the Fiddly Bits Gray Primer. I just gave the two web shooters a quick coat of gray primer. So the reason why we use the gray primer here is because we want to fill in those missed layer lines during the sanding process. They can basically fill in the gaps we missed during the sanding process. After letting it dry for a couple of minutes, we try to sand it down again. And then spread the second coat of the gray primer. After letting it dry again, I'm gonna repeat the same process by sanding it down again. I'm gonna be using the Dulux Spray Silver Bright Finish paint as the final coat of the web shooters. I'm quite happy with the finish of the web shooters. As you can see, they replicate a metallic finish. And now for the bands, I'm gonna be using a contact adhesive and the elastic bands that I made for myself. After letting the adhesive cure, this is the finished product and it perfectly fits me. And as for the magnets, I'm gonna be using the Green Stuff World 5x2mm magnets. And there you have it. This web shooter is designed to be magnetic. For a free STL file, this is pretty well made, to be honest.